Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukonrat ke Sangma Ulaban biang sa hisien baka notification ban penrekam ya ke CRPC bat CPC habaro kawai Kajela kan kta AA ya ke board jong ke district council court. Mentakas ngi nakaliang ki MDC ka KHEDC hapo ka jingelam UCEM ka KHEDC uba Titus W Khan kilawan banyak kendu ya Menteri Rangba Kajela Ukonrat ke Sangma banyak ran Halor kani ka notification. Menteri Rangba Kajela Ulaong makani kan notification kan omdon jingta AA ya ke board jong ki district council court namar baki district council court layada da ki kendon jong ka parasau batsan jong ka kernet bahan rio jong ka riti sensyar jong ka ri India.
Nah kalian kecungi wilayah kendu ya Shim minister dan bagi ki deputy Shim minister bagi minister bagi officer te ka na kalian kecungi ila ada biar discuss biar mentan kalau ketika notification kepada government kepada jangan suka menitu itu ni pa na kalian kecungi mentan in saya kendu saya kesini step yang keban Shim ke final call kalau kini but hoi la persutu ini ba kum bakalong kani notification kan num kta ya ki district council court kecungi nanti ki subordinate court bat kunjungi ya ki village court kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kan num apply ha ki court kecungi namar bangi don ya ka constitutional provision ya kat kum ka para 4 para 5 ka constitution e bat ha bejing dai lu bat ki case ki ba dai ha pedang ki tribal hi ka trial kadang dai hi bat ki district council court ini district session court kinum la pan try ya ka jing dai ha pedang ki tribal dan tam ki we ki case ki ba let's say ki ba ki court ki jungi ki tribe ka pokso ba ki we ki criminal case ya kini ikan kan kaju ika spirit na suang lengkuat ibi kaju ika spirit ka ba ngijule baro kata kan ikan continue
Hato na kaliang concern ako ni rewarding sa po identification naman magani sisin bila ong ba di ban thob na exam na po di district council court ya kani CRPC
ya kani ngilaya tai ba mantam ngilaya keren ba namar ba ngamkwa ang ni ban keren ma kini gede ki legal aspect legal matters kiba ladangi issue expose akan education ru teng kala ban wanra ka misinterpretation tena kata-kata ngi kwa ba ka notification ni kan long simple tenang ba kan wanra pat ka misinterpretation da ko muipan
lusia mong mantan ba dan jumut mana dilute the powers of the district council
ho ya kata la pensya yangi ba kan dilute ya ka powers ka jungi namar bale kum kalau ong ipi ba ka powers ka jungi ka district council court ba ki additional subordinate court ba ki village court kin tri kambe kum ba jutre kuat kum ka spirit jongka CRPC ka bamut kal in letter kan nom apply
kalau saya kata jelang ni kalau aduh betapa punya keren
kalau kawai kalau ba ngin Shim make decision buat namar balong mentang ngidang ya ngidang siwan kum ni ngimpan ai kan dulu ka final decision kalau saya sa
So we had a meeting regarding this entire issue of the CRPC and the notification that had come out. As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet, and also we have discussed this matter with the district council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there is no question. The provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification will supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective, that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way, and this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary. Thank you very much.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.